Hey guys, welcome back. Tornado warning in Toronto. Heading to Hamilton. We're in the tornado alley like right now. We might get hit by the tornado, so yeah, I get hit. So yeah.
We are going to dance floor. You dance up the rep with it.
Hey, I'm sorry. Hold on a second. Mom?
Tornado clouds over here. So first tornado warning I ever seen. We might get it. Yeah, we definitely might get it. Oh, it was raining. A minute ago. So, yeah.
Where's my daughter, Laura? Do you know? Look me in the eyes. I don't know where she is. You've always been a fucking terrible liar. Where's my daughter, Laura?
She has been staying with me in Atlanta.
Since when? June. Here. You watched me worry about her like an idiot. I've been texting her every day and freaking out about her every day, and she was living with you the whole time? But the thing is, she didn't want you to know. You're my sister! You should have told me she was safe! She is! She was! The thing is, Haley needs... Don't tell me what my daughter needs, okay? Why don't you go breastfeed a squirrel?
This reminds me of that movie we watched on our anniversary.
Are you okay? Yeah. Can you move it? Yeah. Good. Good. Tell you.
I really hope Laura cracks in the house.
Why are you hitting yourself? Not cool.
Wait a second. I'm posting this shit straight on poolsidebitchfights.com.
It's my kid, not yours.
God damn it! What have you done to our house?
Stop that mud wrestling now.
Mom, leave Aunt Laura alone. I was doing just fine living with her. I mean, ask Grandma Gramps.
You guys knew all along that she was living with Mara? You lying mofos! I'm gonna kill you.
Stop it! We have no energy for this goddamn shit.
Stop!
Our whole house looks like Pompeii.
Oh my god. It's just guys, please subscribe of this. I'm actually serious. Look, it actually says Toronto warning that might hit us. We're like Mississauga part of it. So yeah, crazy. Mom, could I use your iPad for a second? Use your iPad for a second?
For what?
Huh?
For what?
I need it because I'm showing, you know.
Okay, but you can't do a video on it.
I know, I'm not.
I'm in. Lock it up.
Everyone say a non-denominational side of prayer to themselves.
Hey. Actually, I forgot it. At 3:26 p.m. This is what I look like right now. I hope people are okay there. Really bad. Really bad. Yeah. Alright. Okay, satellite, please, satellite. Okay, so, gonna. Look like it cleared up. Alright, so guys, hope you liked this video. I'm gonna make everyone as we see a final clown for you guys. So yeah, see you. Bye bye.